Hello, in this video I want to show you how to give buttons on your Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed new functions in the Razer Synapse app. So first you need to download and install this app, and you can do it on the Razer website or simply type in Razer Synapse on a Google search. Now let's click on the mouse. Here we can find the customize. You can click on these three lines in the top left corner of the screen and now give any buttons new functions. So for example, let's go with the mouse button 4, and right here go for keyboard functions, and we want to rebind it to, for example, space, and click save. And now if we press the button on our mouse, this one right here, it will act as a space. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.